welcome back to my channel. I get a lot of DMs from you guys that you don't like running on the treadmill or outside. So today's video is gonna be something creative because we're gonna do cardio, but it's gonna be a dance cardio. So let's get started with our dance cardio and get ready for an intense workout.
Give me some directions to get to you. To get to you, ain't gonna waste my time. I know that we got connection. I think about you. You're on my mind, on my mind, on my mind. Yeah, I'm going out of my mind, out of my mind, out of my mind. Yeah, for you, my love. You drive me crazy. Tell me what to do, what to do. I'm on my knees, yeah, I am begging you, begging you. I'll break the rules if it will get me to, yeah.
Today's workout was so much fun, but it was exhausting as well. I felt a lot of burn. I'll feel the cramps tomorrow. I'll update you regarding that. But let's see how many calories did I burn in this today's fun-filled dance workout. Okay, take it. I burnt almost 1200 calories. No stairs today. And where's my heartbeat is increasing. It's 115 now. 1.30 kilometers. Oh my god, it didn't feel like that much, but I enjoyed every bit of it. You can put on your favorite music, your favorite playlist, and hit the dance floor. My happy hormones are thanking me for this special workout. I'll see you guys for the next video. This was something different. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe the channel for sure, and turn on the bell notification to be notified of all upcoming videos. Do try this workout and comment down below how did you feel after finishing the workout. I'm giving you a challenge. Let's see who all can complete the challenge. Have a good night. Take care. Adios. Stay strong. Stay fit. Bye.